911, this is, what's the address of the emergency?
Yeah, I'm traveling westbound on I-84, and there's a man walking down the middle of the freeway right before the Y. Does that make sense?
All right. And when you're saying he's walking down the middle, like is he in the lane or is he on the shoulder?
No, he's out in the middle of the freeway. Right when it starts to turn right, there's painting on the road that comes to a point, and he's right there.
Okay.
I don't know how else to explain it, but by now he's out in the middle of the freeway.
Hey, brother! Hands up! No, you're all right, come here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Stop it now! You're on the ground now! On the ground! On the ground, I'll shoot you! I will shoot you! God damn it! 10-01, shots fired, one suspect down.
Hey man, what's your name?
Pocket. Pocket right there.
You got anything else in your pockets? Huh? Okay. You tell me your name?
Kill you.
Huh?
I wanted to kill you.
Okay. What's your name?